Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the problem areas so you know what to fix. Open the sketch and inspect endpoints and overlapping curves. Use snaps and constraints to reveal tiny gaps and conflicting tangencies. Once done, switch to the relevant 2D workbench, Sketcher for new sketches or drafting for projected curves, and turn on construction geometry and constraints display so you can see which degrees of freedom remain and why the profile won't close automatically. You now fix the geometry. Use trim to remove overlaps and extend or connect to bridge small gaps. Make short, deliberate edits rather than heavy redraws so continuity is preserved. Then apply coincident constraints to endpoints and tangency or curvature constraints where smooth joins matter. Once you add constraints, use the solve or update function to force the sketch to recompute, because Catia will only consider a profile closed when both geometry and constraints agree. You finish by validating closure with profile check or by recomputing the sketch. Look for zero gap and no under-constrained warning. If it's closed, create the intended feature, pad, pocket, or wire from that profile. If Catia still reports an open sketch, make a small construction line between the questionable endpoints and constrain it. This isolates the problem and reveals conflicting constraints. As a quick troubleshooting tip, remove recently added constraints.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.